Hey, today we're learning to pronounce this word here. There are three main things you have to pay attention. One, the T sound. If you notice, T here doesn't have that typical T sound as in my name, for example, Tyler. It has a different sound. It has a CH sound as in check. Number two, the vowel sounds in this word. First thing, we don't pronounce the E sound here, which means we only have two vowel sounds here, and both vowels have the same sound. And number three, the last thing you have to pay attention here is that this word looks like it has three syllables, but it actually has two syllables. So we only have ner and chur. So that's it, nurture, nurture. So let me know in the comments if you want me to bring any other words, and I will see you next video. Thank you.